Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Between the Sharks. On today's very special episode, we say goodbye to 2024 by taking a look back at all of the amazing things that happened this year. My life changed a great deal, and so did this channel. We also are going to welcome in 2025 by taking a quick look forward at what's to come. But the thing that's most important to me in this episode is my chance to just say thank you. I've been doing this for about 3 years now, and everyone that has watched this channel and decided to comment and support it has been just that. Extremely supportive. The channel's grown exponentially this year, and it's continued to grow with a very kind and supportive audience. I can't thank you enough for that. When you're trying something new and learning as you go, there is great potential for failure. And if you do that on the internet, there is great potential to be criticized to no end for it. And that is not what I found with you. So truly, thank you. Without further ado, let's take a look back at 2024. Wowzers. Gang, that's pretty gross. Gang, my new favorite shop tool. Subtle difference, but man, that's where the battle is lost or won. I got my breakdancing cardboard out for it here. We do have a broken tooth on the flywheel, right there. Welcome to the new shop. Well, I don't really know how to operate it, if I'm being completely honest with you. Nothing to it but to do it. Okay, we crashed it. With great effect. So we did the right thing. We parked it in the backyard here, hoping that it would just fix itself. Guys. And little brown dog is back here for moral support. All right. Didn't really check the weather before we got going here. We have hardly even explored this building. I have not done that. All right. Considering how absurd this is and unthought out, I'm still bolstered by potential success. All right, this escalated quickly. We got a deal on that truck, on that trailer, another trailer, and a bunch of truck parts. I don't know what I've just done. Well, gang, I came out from under the car changing the oil, and I got basically a scene from Twister right here. So we got a jet now. All right, actually better. All right, it's gonna be the first time on the road in over 10 years on horrible tires and bad gas. This is a terrible idea. We got gears. They left this. Hope there's nobody in there right now, because honestly, I don't know. Whew. I smell fuel. This is definitely not good. Well, sports fans, they had two and I bought them both. Out the box, because I don't want that many steps between me and this thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, don't let it intimidate you, man. Wiring can smell beer. All right, gang, we're not building a space rocket ship here. We just need the water to run downhill. We have 5 panels left to do. Let's get after it. I want to be done by noon and celebrating at the Hamburger Man stand. Oh boy. I bought this house, sight unseen. We'll call this room the sunroom.